Good day everyone, this is Teacher Cherry. Sa video na to, tayo ay mag-identify at magdi-describe ng quadratic inequalities. Ano ba ang quadratic inequality? A quadratic inequality is an inequality that contains a polynomial of degree 2. Tandaan, ang quadratic inequality, ang degree or ang exponent ay 2 and can be written in any of the following forms. The first form is ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than 0. Pag nakita ninyo ang symbol na to greater than at ang degree ay 2, that is a quadratic inequality. Another form is ax squared plus bx plus c is less than 0. The third is ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than or equal to 0. And ax squared plus bx plus c is less than or equal to 0. Where a, b, and c are real numbers and a must not be equal to 0. Bakit ang a ay hindi dapat equal sa 0? Kung ang a ay equal sa 0, ang quadratic term natin ay magiging 0. Ang matitira na lang ay bx plus c sa left side. So, magiging linear inequality na siya. Hindi na siya quadratic inequality. So, dapat ang a ay hindi equal sa 0. Let us have some examples of quadratic inequality. Number 1, 2x squared plus 5x plus 1 is greater than 0. This is a quadratic inequality dahil ang degree or ang exponent natin ay 2. At meron siyang inequality symbol na greater than. Number 2, s squared minus 5s plus 7 is less than 0. This is also a quadratic inequality. 3. 3r squared plus 2r minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Number 4 example, w squared plus 4w is greater than or equal to 10. Number 5, z plus 4 times z plus 5 is less than or equal to 0. Bakit ito naging quadratic inequality? Applying the FOIL method, first, z times z is z squared. Outer terms, z times 5 is 5z. Inner terms, 4 times z is 4z. And last terms, 4 times 5 is positive 20. Less than or equal to 0. Simplify, z squared and then 5z plus 4z is 9z plus 20 is less than or equal to 0. So, meron na tayong degree 2 and then the inequality symbol less than or equal to 0 kaya siya ay quadratic inequality. Let us have an activity. Determine whether each mathematical sentence is a quadratic inequality or not. Okay, number 1, x squared plus 3x plus 2. Is this a quadratic inequality or not? Okay, this is not quadratic inequality. Bakit? Dahil wala siyang inequality symbol. Kulang siya. This is only a mathematical expression. Number 2, 2a squared minus 3a minus 4 is equal to 0. This is not quadratic inequality. Although ang degree niya ay 2, pero ang symbol ay hindi inequality, equal sign ang symbol niya, so this is quadratic equation. Number 3, b squared plus 5b plus 6 is greater than 0. This is a quadratic inequality because the degree is 2 and then we have the inequality symbol greater than. Number 4, 3y plus 10 is less than or equal to 0. Quadratic inequality or not? This is not quadratic inequality. Dahil ang degree ay 1, so this is only a linear inequality. Number 5, s cubed plus s squared plus 9 is less than 0. This is not quadratic inequality. Dahil ang highest degree ay 3. Dapat ang degree niya lang ay 2. For number 6, 2r plus 3 times r minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Para malaman natin kung quadratic inequality or not, apply natin ang FOIL method. 2r times r is 2r squared. 2r times negative 2 is negative 4r. 3 times r is positive 3r. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6 is greater than or equal to 0. And then, we simplify. We now have 2r squared. Negative 4r plus 3r is negative r. We copy negative 6 is greater than or equal to 0. As you can see, meron tayong degree of 2 and then the inequality symbol greater than or equal. So, this is a quadratic inequality. And now that you know how to identify and describe quadratic inequality, I want you to take this challenge. Determine whether the mathematical sentences are quadratic inequalities or not. Number 1, 2x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. Number 2, w minus 5 times w plus 4 equals 0. Number 3, 2a squared minus 3a is less than 7. Number 4, 2y plus 1 times y plus 2 is less than or equal to 0. Number 5, b squared minus 2b cubed plus 3 is greater than 0. And for number 6, h squared minus 2b plus 1 is greater than h squared minus 5. Okay, good luck in taking the challenge. Before I end this video, I would like to share a simple quotation. If you can't make a mistake, you can't make anything. So don't afraid to make a mistake. That's all. Thank you so much. Stay safe and have a great day.